Hello everyone, this is Team 11 from Section 16. I am Pritham. My other teammates are Ajad and Kirti. In our group project, we tried to automate the plant ordering system. First, let me take you through the circuit diagram. Here in the middle of the board, you can see there is a node MCU which is connected to 3 relay modules, out of which one is connected to the pump and other 2 are connected to 2 different solenoid valves. There is also a soil moisture sensor which can be used in the automated sensing mode. Now let me show you how the connections look like in real life after we connected all the parts. So that's it, and now Kirti will show you how to operate a plant in automated sensing mode.
This is Kirti Chaudhary. I will explain you the automated sensing part, and at first we will upload code in Node MCU using Arduino IDE. As we can see, the code is being uploaded successfully. This is the IP address which is printed on serial monitor. At first we will select plant 1, then automated sensing, then 30% moisture. As we can see, when we select 30% moisture, pump starts watering the plant. Now Azad will explain you how to operate 2 plants in timer modes.
Now let's demonstrate the timer mode. So now let's upload the code. The code is compiling. We have already done the code and it will take some time for the compilation to be done. So now the compilation is done and you can see the corresponding message on the serial monitor and the IP address of the server is visible. Now let's move on to the website and select the timer mode for plant 1. We'll select every day for the plant 1. Now you can see the corresponding message on the serial monitor and it will take some time for the pump to get started. So now you can see the pump has started and the watering of plant has been started.
Thank you.